This week, the Ethics Commission and State Superintendent Ryan Walters reached a settlement. It's in response to a complaint Walters used his office and official account to share politically charged social media posts. Well, now a law expert is weighing in on the move. He tells News 4's Spencer Humphrey the settlement also puts other elected leaders on notice.
The biggest threat out there to the U.S. economy, our parents, our kids, is Kamala Harris.
Those were the posts that started it all.
The administration, Kamala Harris, has ignored this crisis, has ignored this issue.
Oklahoma State Superintendent Ryan Walters using his X account, donning his official state title and portrait, telling people how they should vote this past November.
I encourage everyone to get out today, vote for President Trump.
The State Department of Education's official social media accounts posting politically charged messages too. A pretty risky move, say legal experts.
It's against ethics rules to use anything official for campaign purposes.
A move that ultimately did catch the attention of the State Ethics Commission, who started investigating Walters for his use of social media in January.
And in this particular case, when you use your official portrait, when you use your official title and advocate for the election of a person or people, I mean, that's campaigning, and you're just simply not allowed to do that.
This week, Walters settled with the Ethics Commission, agreeing to pay a $5,000 fine, also agreeing to take his official state portrait off his personal social media and take the word superintendent out of his account's title and handle, which he did on Tuesday.
In my opinion, it was a pretty run-of-the-middle settlement agreement. It was something meant to both deter future behavior and to kind of send a message to other elected officials who may try to do something like this.
But that's not the end of things. The Ethics Commission still has a second investigation looking into Walters for allegedly violating campaign finance rules during his 2022 campaign for state superintendent. Last week, the commission voted to prosecute Walters over it in civil court.
It goes through the regular court process. There's discovery. In the end, there could be a trial, and either a judge or a jury could make a determination.
A sign from the Ethics Commission, experts say, that they really mean business.
Ethics probes aren't unusual, but for something to go forward where there's an actual lawsuit filed against a sitting statewide elected official, it is pretty unusual.
And we reached out to the State Department of Education to see if Superintendent Walters had anything to say about his settlement agreement, and in a statement, his spokesperson said Superintendent Walters has always committed to following all guidelines and transparency in his political operations.